I love trying new laundry products, so I was really excited when Cleancult sent me this laundry detergent. This is their free and clear, and I love a good free and clear. I actually feel like I use that a lot, especially when I had babies. I would just wash all of our clothes in it, and then you wouldn't really have to think twice about what you were putting into your laundry. So I am really excited to use this one again, and I love that this carton, you're gonna get 64 loads out of it, so still a lot of laundry out of this little carton. You can use 1 to 2 tablespoons, just depending on how dirty or how large your load is, and you can pour it right into the dispenser or into your machine, just depending on your type of machine. It's packed with stain fighting enzymes, so it's still going to get your clothes clean without adding a lot of those extra unnecessary ingredients. And it's made with essential oils instead of fragrance. So they're still gonna smell really good. They're still gonna smell clean, but again, without all of that unnecessary added ingredients. So it's got a really good consistency to it. It is nice and clear, and then it does smell really good. So if you are just looking for a great detergent that also is gonna give you some great peace of mind, then you should for sure look into this one.